there! Did you know that the average home can have up to 10 times more pollutants indoors than outdoors? And odors are often the sneakiest culprits? Whether it's lingering pet smells, cooking aromas, or that mystery odor you can't quite place, an effective air purifier can completely transform your living space. In 2026, there are some incredible options that don't just clean the air, they actively fight odors, allergens, and even bacteria. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best air purifiers for smells that will make your home feel fresh, inviting, and healthy. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out while we go through each one. Let's jump right in. Number 5. NuWave OxyPure Zero. Plus, imagine an air purifier so powerful that it can cover up to 3,210 square feet while eliminating smoke, dust, mind allergens, and even stubborn odors, all without the recurring cost of filter replacements. That's exactly what the NuWave OxyPure Zero Plus offers. Its 4-stage filtration system includes a permanent stainless steel pre-filter, a patented BioGuard filter capable of capturing particles as tiny as 0.1 microns, and an ozone removal filter, making it perfect for open-concept homes, basements, or even small commercial spaces. The sleek, minimalist tower design isn't just stylish, it's practical, with 360-degree air intake and intuitive touchscreen controls. In real-life scenarios, it detects changes in air quality like cooking smoke or pet dander and adjusts fan speeds automatically, while sleep mode drops noise to an almost inaudible 19 to 30 decibels, ideal for bedrooms. Compared to the Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max, the NuWave may be slightly slower at immediate particle removal, but it blows competitors away in long-term savings thanks to its reusable filters lasting up to 20 years. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor air quality from your phone, which is a huge convenience. Overall, this is the go-to for large households or anyone who wants set-it-and-forget-it air cleaning, combining high coverage, sustainability, and quiet performance. What do you think? Would this fit in your living room setup? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Medify MA-40. If raw, medical-grade air cleaning power is what you crave, the Medify MA-40 is a serious contender. It refreshes the air in a 1,793 square foot room every hour thanks to its high air changes per hour ACH rate and its 3-stage filtration, pre-filter True HEPA H13. Year-end activated carbon layer captures 99.9% of particles down to 0.1 microns while neutralizing smoke and VOCs. The sleek tempered glass touch panel is both premium and practical, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. In real-life tests, users report a noticeable freshness in just 15 minutes on high speed, making it a powerhouse for wildfire season, pollen-heavy areas, or pet homes. While its 380 cubic feet per minute cadre makes it more aggressive than the Levoit Core 400S, it lacks some smart sensors for auto-adjusting fan speed. Noise on max is about 53 to 59 decibels, akin to gentle rainfall, and many find it soothing for sleep. Filter replacements are every 4 to 5 months, but the lifetime warranty offers peace of mind that budget purifiers can't match. Compared to the NuWave, the Medify is faster in raw air movement, but less focused on long-term filter savings. And for anyone living in pollution-heavy zones or needing quick industrial-strength air purification, this is a reliable choice. Would you go for speed or longevity in an air purifier? Number 3. VOOPNU D H-J H12. Not every great purifier has to cost a fortune, and the VOOPNU DH-JH12 proves that. It covers up to 1,076 square feet, tackling pet dander, pollen, and smoke with a 360-degree H13 True HEPA filter capturing 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. What sets it apart is its integrated aroma tray, letting you enjoy essential oils while purifying, a feature that's rare at this price. Compact and stylish, it fits easily on a desk or nightstand, and the intuitive touch panel manages 3 fan speeds, a timer, and a whisper quiet sleep mode at 22 decibels. Compared to the Levoit Core 300, the VOOPNU delivers similar filtration but adds aromatherapy and costs less upfront, making it a superb option for first-time buyers, apartment dwellers, or pet owners on a budget. While it doesn't have the massive coverage of NuWave or Medify, it shines in smaller spaces and adds a fun wellness twist. Its zero assembly design and clear filter reset indicator make setup effortless. For anyone who wants a quiet, multifunctional air cleaner without breaking the bank, VOOPNU is a stylish, smart choice. Could aromatherapy sway your decision? Drop your thoughts below. Number 2. Puraclenz Photon P3000X. Here's where technology gets futuristic. Unlike traditional HEPA purifiers, the P3000X doesn't just trap particles, it actively neutralizes viruses, bacteria, mold spores, and odors using ozone-free photocatalytic oxidation, PCO, a NASA-inspired technology. Covering up to 3,000 square feet, it cleans the air and exposed surfaces, making it ideal for open-concept homes, high-traffic commercial spaces, or daycare centers. Its compact, minimalist build hides industrial-grade capability, and the 4-hour boost mode quickly eliminates stubborn odors, compared to bulky HEPA Max units like the Alorair Pure Aero 9.7. Oh, it's whisper-quiet, stylish, and low-maintenance, with a recharge cell replacement every 2 years. 5 fan speeds provide full control, and it's simple to use via a touch interface. If you want clinical-level pathogen defense along with odor control, the P3000X is in a league of its own. Compared to Nuave or Medify, it's quieter, covers similar space, and uniquely purifies surfaces. For large families or anyone dealing with persistent allergens, this is a scientifically backed clean zone machine. Would you want a purifier that tackles surfaces too? Let's hear your thoughts. Number 1. AirDoctor AD3500. If ultimate filtration is your priority, the AirDoctor AD3500 takes the crown. Its proprietary Ultra HEPA filter captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.003 microns, 100 times smaller than standard HEPA, effectively removing dust, pollen, certain viruses, and smoke particles that others miss. Combined with a washable pre-filter and dual-action carbon/VOC filter, it neutralizes gases like formaldehyde and ozone, making it a clinical-grade powerhouse. Its whisper jet fan is 30% quieter than alternatives, while moving enough air to refresh a 1,260 square foot space twice per hour. Auto mode adjusts instantly when air quality dips, and with a CADR of 340 CFM. It competes directly with the Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max. While other units like Nuave or Medify may offer longer filter lifespan or faster raw airflow, the AirDoctor wins for submicron filtration and VOC removal, making it ideal for allergy sufferers, pet owners, or those in wildfire-prone areas. If you want measurable, high-stakes air cleaning without relying on apps or gimmicks, this is the ultimate investment. Who else has severe allergies and needs this level of protection? Comment below. So there you have it. From the massive coverage and zero filter convenience of the Nuave to the industrial strength Medify, budget-friendly VOOPNU with aromatherapy, futuristic Puraclenz P3000X, and the ultrafiltration AirDoctor AD3500, there's something for everyone in 2026. Say goodbye to stubborn odors and hello to fresh, clean air every day. Ready to breathe easier and live better? Pick your favorite, check all the links in the description, and make your home a healthier, fresher space. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more fresh air tips.